Hello Fun Swahili family, how is everyone doing? This is another episode of Fun Swahili in 10 minutes with Fresh Pro 8,
Fresh Pro 11,
and Fresh Mommy. So in this episode we are going to be looking at things that we use to travel, and they are part of the things that you might see around town. Okay, I think we've left the house now. We are starting to venture out there. Fresh kids, are you ready?
Yeah.
Fresh kids at home, are you ready? Again, make sure you have your things book and let's cover the things together. Alright, Fresh Pro 11, tafadhali soma for us this sentence.
Wacha tuangalie mji wetu.
Again?
Wacha tuangalie mji wetu.
Wacha tuangalie mji wetu. Which means, let's take a look around town. Fresh Pro 9, what is this sentence?
Vyombo vya usafiri.
Okay, which means? Transportation vessels. Alright, so let's cover the transportation vessels. The first one we are going to cover is
Gari.
Gari is what?
Gari.
What is gari?
Car.
Car. Very nice. What about the next thing?
Bike.
Baiskeli is?
Baiskeli.
Is a bike. What is baiskeli? Bike. Beautiful. What is basi? Bus. Bus is? Basi. Alright, truck is? Lorry. What is a truck? Lorry. Alright, what about an ambulance? Ambulance. What is an ambulance? Ambulance. What about an airplane? Ndege. Good job. And what else is ndege?
Ndege is bird.
Yes, ndege is a bird also. Very good. Alright, next thing is fire truck. Fire truck is? Zimamoto. Beautiful. Next thing is train. Train is? Gari la moshi. What is train again? Gari la moshi. Next thing is a ship. What is a ship? Meli. Alright, so let's review that again. What is a car?
Gari.
Beautiful. Bike.
Baiskeli.
Bus.
Basi.
Truck.
Lorry.
Ambulance. Airplane.
Ndege.
Fire truck.
Zimamoto.
Train.
Gari la moshi.
Ship.
Meli.
Alright, what is a car?
Gari.
Bike.
Baiskeli.
Bus. Basi. Truck. Lorry. Ambulance. Airplane.
Ndege.
Beautiful. Fire truck.
Zimamoto.
Train. Gari la moshi. And ship is? Meli. Beautiful. Good job, guys. Good job. You guys are doing amazing. And now let's review the things that we just covered in the last 3 episodes. Let's see what we remember, because we just recorded them in one sitting, so we want to make sure that we remember most of them. All right, what is wire? What is rangi? Paint. What is, try to not look, although I'll leave it open, but try to see what you remember. Okay, what's kifagio?
Broom.
Mfereji au bomba?
Tap.
Koleo.
Shovel.
Ngazi.
Ladder.
Burashi.
Brush.
Mashine za kuosha nguo.
Laundry machine.
Come back so that we can see you. What's reki? Rake. What's gari? Nice. What's gari? Did you guys just say gari?
You said gari
And you
I
guys
said
said
car.
Okay, good. Alright, what is bustani?
Garden.
Beautiful. Maua.
Flowers.
Miti.
Trees.
Jani.
Leaf.
Nyasi.
Grass.
Mchanga.
Sand.
Uzio. Fence. Udongo. Soil. Mpira. Beautiful. Gari.
Car.
Baiskeli.
Bicycle.
Basi.
Bus.
Lorry.
Truck.
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ndege.
Plane.
Zimamoto.
Fire truck.
Gari la moshi.
Train.
And meli.
Ship.
Ship. Awesome. Good job, guys. Good job. High five. Asanteni, asanteni. That was a lot of work for one day. So we are going to wrap it up over here. Asanteni, everybody. Take